Hi guys, today we have McDonald's.
There's a
Fries,
There's a scan
chicken
code. You're supposed to like put the code.
And mine,
Oh my!
here's mine.
Have a code, a Happy Meal.
Scan to play. Bro, it's just scan to play.
Yeah. So I will get a camera and scan it. Well, how do you even scan it though? That's weird.
Bro, I don't know. So,
This is
we're
a
gonna
gaga
open this
gigi
at the end of the video, so
gaga.
keep waiting. You want to see face here. Now let's
This
put it
is
inside.
I have to be very careful. I don't
Yeah.
know. And
It might be broken, the
I have to be
box.
careful, but don't break it up.
It's a price.
It's yummy. Put it here instead. What?
Ow. Bah!
It's a little snake.
Give it to me!
This is gaga nuggets. There's my melody. By the way, the name is Bad Bass on the bottle. This mine is my melody. But if you want to have like shake fries, like cheese, I really wish.
Why is everything dumped?
I don't know, maybe something was wrong there.
Maybe when the rider was driving,
Probably fell.
the price was shaking. It fell probably.
But these are so cool and cute. Oh, mine make a triangle like that.
Mm. Oh, go.
So they had the scam. So my Melody and Derek, my bad magician girl. Mine is Abolus the Tormentor. I'm magic.
Wow.
Mine is magician. Can you read it? It's a flashy light. Bad Bats Maru. X Red Eyes Black Dragon. Go. The dragon one. And by the way, that's not sure you can only for me. You can open it but not show it. I'm only going to see it's actually a dragon. I forgot how this. Yeah, since it's a dragon, but. What? This is mine. But I think it was scam. But because don't the picture supposed to be this, right? Right? There's this. But this is wala.
Oh, English. What do you mean?
It's not there.
What means this card?
Dapat merong ito yung. Oh wait, maybe because it's a plushie.
Look.
No, maybe because there's actually supposed to be that, but since they put so many cotton inside, they had the king just. But anyway, my juice here.
Wait, this is different.
How?
Look, this, and look at this.
Because they couldn't try. They tried to copy it, but they couldn't because it was a little hard to copy probably. But anyway, let's just
I'm done eating my fries.
Wait, it's yours.
Wait,
It's cold.
I'm done eating my fries, guys. Wait, now, time for the juice. Ooh, so good.
Wait, ketchup. Wait, there's still mustard
Guys,
in there.
Do you know that there's a hole here? Some of you doesn't know that there's a hole here, but some of you knows that there's
Everyone
a hole.
knows it.
Yeah.
Not everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone knows
When we're a baby or a kid, we don't know that when
I think it's still my classmate. It's actually a brand new. It's a new thing.
Oh,
New thing.
yeah. When I was a kid, I don't know I did not know that there's a butas. Now let's go drink it.
There's two. I was a baby and didn't know this.
A private drink.
There's actually wrap this is what's so slushy.
Oh yeah.
I want that tattoo. I don't know that tattoo.
Well, how it's gonna fall? What do you? How should I supposed to put mine?
Get the one, right?
Okay. Later. And time for the big part, the chicken nuggets.
It looks like gaga gigi gaga gaga. Gigi gaga gaga gaga. This is like
no.
a gaga gigi gaga gaga. Nugget. Maybe they're slim. They're slim. Gigi gaga gaga. A gun, a little gun. Pew pew pew. Gaga gaga. I'll eat this
I'm
gaga
actually
gigi gaga.
gonna eat this at the end, so let's show this first. Here it is.
so cold. No. There's supposed to be a tag, but some dirty they won't put the tag.
Look, guys, it's different, right? It's different.
It's not. You're not gonna copy it.
It's different because it was kind of hard to copy it.
Probably. You can't copy
You
it.
can also do this. Look.
Helicopter.
Don't do
that, bro.
Oh, I can do it. Helicopter, 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 helicopter.
Making it. I have a happy meal. Wait, tiny?
Now, time for the chicken nuggets.
This is gaga giggy gaggy gaga. I eat this nugget. Oh, no. Okay, chicken nuggets.
Good. Wrong time. Wait, who wants this pie?
It's
Right,
barbecue.
Mommy. Yeah.
You have even never tried to love barbecue though.
Last time when Mommy opened it, it smelled so bad.
Try it, but this one don't smell it.
No, what if last time when Mommy opened it, you couldn't smell, but I smelled it because I didn't smell something. Well, Daddy said you to eat this also. Eat different food for your eyes. But for your eyes.
Well, that's not for eyes, because that's for frustrating. It's just healthy, but not for your eyes. It's just being healthy.
Yeah.
You shouldn't eat fruits.
Oh! Guys, it landed!
Wow! What?
It landed!
Someone
No.
actually make a bad finger. You actually make a bad finger. Somebody make a bad finger. Wait. I did make a bad finger. This is thumb. Fight thumb.
Bye guys! See you in my next video. Peace. The prick.
Bye bye.
Ah.
Thank you.